Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by loading an instrument channel and opening the piano roll with F7. This gets you into note entry immediately. Once done, set the project tempo and enable snap to grid so your notes align predictably. Make sure ghost notes from other channels are visible for reference. This helps harmony choices. Finally, check velocity preview and the scale helper to avoid wrong notes. These small settings speed up editing and prevent timing issues later. You input your melody with the draw tool, then use paint for repeating notes or slice for quick cuts. This builds the initial phrase fast. Once notes exist, switch to the velocity lane and sculpt dynamics. Alt plus drag gives fine control. Use select and duplicate to create variations, and paste special when transposing entire patterns so harmony stays consistent. Also, consider layering another channel with slightly detuned notes to thicken the sound. It makes mixes. You finish by tightening timing. Use quantize but dial back strength to keep groove. Shift plus Q offers presets and strength control. Once satisfied, export either as MIDI for later editing or audio via file export in WAV or MP3. Name tracks clearly. If notes disappear or sound wrong, check channel routing to the mixer, confirm the piano roll root key matches the instrument, and verify snap settings aren't deleting short notes. That troubleshooting tip fixes most playback problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.